Before this video starts, I just wanted to announce that my brand new merch drop is live. If you guys like cars, if you guys like Teslas, or if you like my Tesla in particular, go ahead and check out the site. I have brand new t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, stickers, and posters. Hit the link down below in the description, and I appreciate all the love and support. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today we are going to be doing a brand new tutorial. Man, that introduction, that was a little wild for this one. But yes, today I'm bringing you guys a brand new tutorial video on some Jordan 1s. Now, I must ask you guys, are you a sneakerhead? Are you a collector of Air Jordan 1s? Okay, maybe you are. Do you wear all of them? Maybe. Maybe not. Well, if you happen to have a couple Air Jordan 1s sitting, over time, they're gonna crystallize. They're gonna look like they got a little bit of bedazzle treatment on it. You know, maybe your little niece was over and she sprinkled some glitter all over your shoes. That's what it's gonna look like. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna be talking about that, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how to remove it. So first things first, let's talk about it. I was recently moving some boxes around and I went ahead and opened up these beauties right here. I totally forgot I had them, but this is a very, very, very clean pair of Air Jordan Band 1s, aka one of the best shoes ever to exist. And what did I notice on these things? Yup, you see it. We got glitter central, baby. Now, when this whole glitter thing started popping up, a lot of people were asking themselves if they bought fakes. A lot of people were accusing themselves of buying fakes. So let's clear that whole thing up right now. Did you buy fakes? Sorry to tell you, you probably did. Ah, just kidding, guys. I got you, huh? No, but for real though, if you bought your shoes from China or AliExpress, they're gonna have the glitter on here, but I'll show you guys how to remove it. Again, I'm kidding with you guys. So, why does this happen? What is this called? Does it have a technical term? It actually does have a technical term, and we're gonna go ahead and break it down like a science class. Dr. Professor Alex SneakerHeadInTheBay is now on duty. Let's get it. Whenever your Jordan 1s do this, a lot of people call it crust, a lot of people call it pixie dust, glitter. Some people even call it mold, so it has a lot of names to it, but the technical term is actually called bloom. And I want to give a huge shout out to ShineBX Life for leaving a comment on my Instagram for one of the tutorials that I made. So if you guys aren't following me on there, follow me and follow the boy. He said, that crust is called bloom. Rubber or synthetic materials have it. When you store sneakers in a room that has temperatures that go from hot to cold, often the oil seeps out and solidifies outside of the material. It happens to hunter rubber boots, and there's certain sprays that get rid of this bloom. So that's what it's called. We're gonna call it bloom from now on, class. Eddie, are you paying attention? These kids, man. Anyway, before Eddie rudely interrupted this class, let's go over the materials we're gonna need to clean these babies up. Blam! First things first, we need a microfibrillous cloth. Microfiber cloth. If you guys don't have any of these, that is perfectly fine. You could use an old rag, anything soft, anything clean preferably. And we're just gonna use a little bit of water to dampen this thing up. The next item we're gonna need is some genuine mink oil from AngelisDirect.com. Lucky for you guys, I have a discount code for you to use, which I'll leave down below in the description to get you guys 10% off this purchase. I believe this is only $3 or $4, so it's very useful. It actually waterproofs and conditions the leather, so it's actually rejuvenating it, giving back all the oils that it needs to stay nice and fresh. Leather's like skin, so you want to make sure you moisturize these things. All right, class, so the first thing we need to do is dampen our rag. Now, I got a little bit of cold water on here, and basically what we're going to do is we are going to rub over the areas that have the bloom on it. Essentially what we're trying to do is just remove whatever we can without using anything that is going to harm the sneaker. So water and this little microfibrillous cloth is going to work nice on it, but it's not going to get rid of everything. So we're just going to give this sneaker a nice rub down. As you guys can see, there is a slight difference. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this whole thing down so you guys can see the process, and then I'll tune right back in with you guys. This is a one-side wipe down. As you guys can see, there's still a little bit of bloom on this area right here. It's just a little bit harder to get off, but again, I will show you guys how to remove all of it. But that little wipe down, I mean, it did its job. So the last step to fix all of the bloom that's on here is to spray it with some mink oil. This is just a nice way of keeping your leather nice and hydrated, and it will get rid of those excess crystals that are still on the leather. So we're just gonna give this a nice spray, Wipe it down after it seeps in for a couple minutes and we'll be good to go. Here we go. So we're gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes. Let all the oils get in there nice and right. And the oils really make this shoe pop. It makes the color a lot more bold. It makes the leather look like how it's supposed to look like. And overall, if you guys want your shoes to last long, definitely make sure to spray them every now and then. The shoes have been sitting out for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe these down with a dry, clean microfiber towel. Woo, man, these things are looking amazing. I always have to have an extra pair of breads laying around just in case my current ones get whooped, because man, this shoe is just so beautiful. I could only see it rising in price. I don't think these things are going to get any lower than what I've seen them at. I actually bought this pair for I think 300 bucks back in the day when they first came out. So prices are going up. Got to make sure my babies are nice and right. And you guys see it, man. These things look beautiful once again. Not one speck of bloom, not at all on this pair. And these things look just like they did when they first came out. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. If you guys are returning, thank you so much for supporting your boy. And I'll see you guys very soon for the next tutorial video. If you made it to the end, comment taco down below. Let's confuse some people. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.